How to set Siri to read out notifications on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on notifications. Next, we go down and tap on announce notifications. Then tap on announce notifications switch to turn it on. Once it is turned on, Siri can read out notifications. Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen after reading notifications, so you can respond or take actions without saying, "Hey Siri." Now down here you can also choose announce when connected to headphones, and you can also turn on replied without confirmation. And after that you can choose which app that can make use of the announce notifications feature. So some of the apps turn on, such as messages and home, and the rest are switched off by default. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.